It was 23 or 4.
Yeah, so it started at 23.
Now it's
Now
30.
30. So it's gone up 7 degrees in that short time. That's excellent. Good work.
This time I will try.
Yep.
Nada.
30, okay. So you see your shadow? You want to keep your shadows away from where it is.
Why? Because you're best friend. Share. Yeah, but is he
Like this coffee with the coffee.
Ah, I'll see which one makes the best solar water heater, and I might have to try it again.
They have a competition between us. So who gets the highest temperature will win. And let's tell us to make Claire's gonna give him an water heater so then you can make coffee.
Yes. It's all about me.
No, Mr.
It's
Blair,
all about
it's all
myself and
about
the
his
coffee.
coffee.
Yeah.
No. Mr. Blair, tell them that we have a competition and who wins you will give him ice blocks.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, let's do that.
Tell them.
Hey, you guys, it's a competition. Whoever gets the highest score. I think they all heard.
Look, it's Tulane.
We'll stay downstairs in the shade.
The bell's going to go in probably 5 minutes. We're going to go back. So we're just going to set it all up. Then we'll go back.